Okay guys, the last one cut me off and I didn't realize it until I wrote all of this, so let's try to follow along, and if you get lost, you can feel free to ask me a question on the today's meet. So we've got x squared minus 5x plus 6 in the denominator right here. That's a trinomial that's going to factor into x minus 3 and x minus 2. Over here, this is an x cubed, so we take a GCF first. Here I have done that. So there's an x out here. We've got x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then that x squared minus 4x plus 4 is going to factor here into x minus 2 and x minus 2. So you see that that is the denominator right down here. Looking between these two, we see that this one needs an x minus 2 and an x, because over here there are two x minus 2's that we have to account for. This one is only missing an x minus 3. So we've multiplied. Here that gives us x times x minus 2 times x squared minus 3 over our common denominator. Over here I have x minus 4 times x minus 3 over our common denominator. Okay, so you can do this next part a couple of different ways. You can either distribute this x right here, which is what I've done. So I get x squared minus 2x, and then I FOIL x squared minus 3 with that. Or you can FOIL these two together and then multiply by the x. Either way, when you get finished, it is going to be x to the fourth minus 3x squared minus 2x cubed plus a 6x. And then this part comes over here when we FOIL this one. So x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Combining our like terms, we have x to the fourth that doesn't have anything with it, minus 2x cubed. This negative 3x squared plus x squared is a negative 2x squared. And then we have 6x. This is minus 7x over here. So 6x minus 7x is a negative x. And then 12 is also on its own. And nothing here is going to simplify, so then we just leave it as all of this over our common denominator of x times x minus 2 squared times x minus 3.